Hello students, welcome back to the class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and well at your home. Now students, in a continuity with our previous lecture, now today we will discuss about the same topic, lowest common multiple, which is also called LCM, and in our previous lecture we have discussed about the three methods for finding the LCM. The first method was the common multiple method, which we have already discussed. The second method, prime factorization method, and the third one is common division method. So today we are going to discuss about prime factorization and common division method one by one. So let us start very first by prime factorization method and how we can find the LCM of any set of numbers by prime factorization method. So as this method is a prime factorization method, that means we are only going to use prime numbers to solve the questions. So very first, taking an example, suppose there are two numbers given to you, 36 and 42. And it is being said that you have to find the LCM of these two numbers by prime factorization method. So what is the process? The process is same as we have done prime factorization method for finding the HCF. So in the similar manner, I am going to write these two numbers into different factorization setup, 36 on one side, 42 on another side. Now start dividing the numbers by prime numbers. So very first, starting with 2, so 2 18 times gives us 36. Again dividing by 2, 2 9 times will give us 18. Now I'll divide this by 3 because 9 is not divisible by 2. So the next prime number is 3. So 3 times give us 9 and then 3 1 time give us 3. Clear? So we have done the factorization of number 36. This is our first number. In the similar manner, you will find out the factors of 42. Starting with 2, so 2 21 times. Now this 21 is not divisible by 2 anymore. So we will choose the next prime number, that is our 3. So 3 7 times 21, and then this 7 is divisible by 7 only. So 7 1 times give us 7. So we have done the factorization of 36 and 42 separately. Now it's time to write the factors in the horizontal format. The factors which are in the vertical format right now, we will write it in the horizontal format. So that will be 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. So the factors of 36 is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Similarly, the factors of 42 are, what are the factors? It is 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 7. Clear students? Now, till this step, the process which we have done in the prime factorization method of HCF is same. Same process we have done if we have to find the HCF of the number, and same process you have to do when you have to find the LCM. Now at this last step, there is a difference between HCF and LCM. Now if you have to find the LCM, as it is given that you have to find the LCM of 36 and 42. So if you remember what we were doing when we were finding the HCF, we were actually taking out the common terms, like 2 is common, one of the 3 is common, and we were just writing the common values. Here we will write all the multiples and we have to write the maximum number of times that multiple is coming up. For example, what are the multiples available here? The multiples are, what are the values in our multiples? That is 2, 3 and 7. So basically, if I talk about the factors of 36, I have 2, I have 3. The factors of 42, what are the values? 2, 3 and 7. That means we are going to write all the three values, 2, 3 and 7. Now, how many times 2 is repeated when I have written the factors of 36? 2 times. the factor 2 is coming up 2 times here, and in 42 it is only coming 1 time. We will write the maximum number of times it is coming. So in that case, I'll write 2 times, because maximum number of time is 2. Here 2 is coming 2 times, in this 2 is coming only 1 time. So I will write it 2 times. Similarly, the next is our 3. In the factors of 36, 3 is coming 2 times, whereas in the factor of 42, 3 is coming only 1 time. So how many times I'll write? The maximum number of times, that means 2 times. Clear, students? Next, do we have any other number here? No. But yes, we have a number, that means a factor for 42, which is 7. So since 7 is only 1 time, so I will write 7 1 time. Clear? Now multiplying all these values together, you will get the LCM of the number 36 and 42. So let us multiply the number. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 into 7. So let us multiply 36 by 7. 7 6 are 42, 4 here, 21, 52. So the LCM of 36 and 42 is 252. So this is how you can find the LCM of any set of numbers by using the prime factorization method. Clear, students? I hope this topic and this method of finding the LCM by prime factorization method is very clear to all of you. Thank you for the lesson, students.